Dear students, welcome to Vedic Maths episode 4. Before starting the topic, today I would like to request all my students and concerned parents that I am providing you abacus class for 3rd standard or 2nd standard or 1st standard to 7th standard, and 8th onwards Vedic Maths class. For 8th onwards means those who completed a degree and trying for competitive exams, they are also eligible and they are the most eligible. Remaining is for faster learning, for improvement of your skill, but that skill is very essentially required for those who are facing competitive exams. For them, junior students, abacus class I am providing, and that course material worth rupees 12,000 to 15,000 in any other abacus institutions, and a course worth rupees 4,000 to 6,000 it is charged in other institutions and not in rural area but in bigger cities. I am providing just for rupees 1,100 for material cost and just for rupees 2,000 and 450 for material cost. And I request you all, at least you tell your surroundings that the course material worth rupees this much is provided for this much without compromising or reducing in quality, and course material worth this much is given for only this much, only with the intention that this class is online, and as I have no constraint of number of students like 30, 40 in the classroom, I can get more students. In anticipation of more students, I am starting this course. So, my students, as a student of Mansa Coaching Center, I request you to tell your neighbors, tell your relatives, tell your close friends to join the Vedic Maths course if you are higher standard, or abacus course if you are of junior standard. I expect every student at least spread the message and enroll 2 to 3 students, and that is the real reward for me that you are providing. For I am providing you lesser at lesser price. Okay, thank you. Now today I start Vedic Mathematics episode 4, for which I have to recall the topics talked in the previous class. I think in the previous class we took Shuddha subtraction, correct? Vinculum numbers and devinculation of number. These are all in page number 7. Right. Today I move to vinculum subtraction. Today I move to vinculum subtraction. This is very essential and most frequently used method in Vedic mathematics, and we have to give much attention on this, and we have to be very thorough in vinculum subtraction. Like school method, it has certain formalities, and vinculum subtraction is done in 2 steps for having practice. And after enough practice and after understanding the meaning and even having enough practice of devinculation of numbers, we can do it in single step. When you can do vinculum subtraction in single step, then you can do every problem related to vinculum numbers easily. Now let us take book example 3821 minus 1262. Now in vinculum subtraction, this is negative. This is negative means 1 is negative, 2 is negative, 6 is negative, 2 is negative. So 1 minus 2 bar 1 means 1 minus 2 not possible, 2 minus 1 with negative symbol. Subtract means subtract the number, write the number symbol of higher digit. 6 minus 2 bar 4. 8 minus 2 plus 8 minus 2 6. And 3 minus 1 2. This is the answer of first stage. 2 6 bar 4 bar 1. Now devinculation. Devinculation means use 10 complement, reduce in the higher place. Use 10 complement means you have to use 10 complement as well as you have to reduce means it's 9 complement, and 1 reduce in the higher place and 2 as it is. This is the final answer. Now first thing, 2 minus 1 not possible. 1 here you subtract 2 minus 1, you get bar 1. 2 minus 6 not possible. Here you subtract 6 minus 2, so answer bar 2, bar 4. 8 minus 2 is possible, directly you do, and it is positive 6. 3 minus 1 positive 2. Now negative numbers are to be devinculated. 2600 minus 40 minus 1, 2560, 2559, right? Now 10 complement of negative digit is to be taken. 10 complement of negative digit is to be taken and higher place is to be reduced by 1. So for this 4 is higher place, and for this it is negative. You have to make it positive. So use 10 complement, reduce in the previous place. Use 10 complement implied its condition converted to 9 complement and reduce in the higher place. So similar problem, one more from book I take 3674 minus 1898 is equals to, first step I take 4 minus 8 not possible, bar 4. 7 minus 9 not possible, bar 2. 6 minus 8 not possible, bar 2. 3 minus 1 directly 2. Correct? So now use 10 complement, reduce in the higher place. Use 9 complement, reduce in the higher place. Use 9 complement, reduce in the higher place. Reduce in the higher place. This must be the answer 1776. Right. So now I directly move to finding answer without this step. Finding answer without this step. See here. For 4 minus 8 bar 4 10 complement 6. Bar 4 10 complement 6 carried bar 1. Here we have to use carried bar 1. Carried bar 1. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 9. Bar 3 again, not 9 complement. Bar 3, 10 complement 7. Bar 4, 10 complement 6, carried bar 1. Bar 3, 10 complement 7 we write. Carried bar 1. 5. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 bar 3. 10 complement 7 carried bar 1. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 1. See here, these explanations I took for your understanding, and what we did? We did a vinculum subtraction in single step. We did vinculum subtraction in single step. Now let us take few more problems. I said you that textbook contains only 1 or 2, very few problems, and I take a little more in number and little more complications I attend, and I give the materials quite more than the book available to you. See here, now 28,605 minus 14,834. Vinculum subtraction I am doing. So whenever vinculum number I get, immediately I write here what I am doing, and that explanation is only for this problem. 5 minus 4 directly possible. 0 need not take here. This is a school method and vinculum does not come here. 10. So directly take 0 minus 3 bar 3. 0 minus 3 bar 3. 10 complement 7 you have to write. Carried bar 1. 5 minus 8. 5 is equals to bar 3. 10 complement 7 carried bar 1. Here 8 minus 1, 7 minus 4, 3 directly. Two minus 1, 1 directly. See, this explanation you write in your notes, and here I included 0, and every problem, let us do 1 or 2 problems on this method now, and you put the problem and do it directly by vinculum method, because in the next topic onwards, we frequently use complements as well as, see here, in every step we use a complement. Like that, in many stages we have to go through vinculum numbers. 68,435 minus 29,862. I do not write the explanation. Listen carefully and you do it your own. With your own examples, you make such practice, more practices. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 6 bar 3, 10 complement 7 carried bar 1. 3 minus 8 bar 5, 10 complement 5 carried bar 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 9 bar 2, 10 complement 8 carried bar 1. 5 minus 2, 3. This is the answer. Now, if you have doubt, add this. 5 plus 2 plus 3, 5. 13, 1. 9 plus 5, 14, 1. 10 plus 8, 18, 1. 3 plus 3, 6. 6, 8, 4, 3, 5. Right. $14,003 minus 8,627. 3 minus 7 bar 6, 10 complement 4 minus 1 minus 2 bar 3, 10 complement 7 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7, 10 complement 3 carried bar 1, 13 bar 3 minus 8, 5, 10 complement 5 carried minus 1 plus 1, 0. Have a doubt? Now 4 plus 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. So this is wrong. Now I return 6 plus 7 minus 3 minus 7 is equals to 4. Bar 4. For bar 4 we have to write 10 complement 6. Now it's okay. 7 plus 6, 13 carried 1. 3 plus 10, 3 plus 7, 10 carried 1. 7 plus 3, 10 carried 1. 8, 9 plus 5, 14. What we did? A small mistake. We have to take bar 4. Instead of that we have to write a 10 complement, that is 6. Instead of 6 we have written 4 without using bar. So such errors occurs in the procedure of practice, but I am telling you, do at least 10-15 problems, and in the later case, whenever you are taking vinculum number and converting them into positive, you should not use much time. That should be within fraction of second. Now I take addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction together. Addition and subtraction together. See here, I give you the superiority of this method over the school method, or that method which you are following. See here, 3,685 minus 1,436 plus 2,148 minus 1,627 plus 5,831. How do you do this? For this, what you need? You have to take all positive numbers at one place, right? All negative numbers at another place, right? You have to add those things. You have to add those things. then you have to subtract the negative number from positive number if this is more. Positive number from negative number if this is more. So what we need? You need 4 steps. Separating positive digits, separating negative digits, finding the sum of positive digits, finding the sum of negative digits, and final comparison by subtraction, and giving the sign of higher number. Correct? This hectic procedure in our school method what we learned. Correct? Now with the help of vinculum subtraction, I do this in a single step. Observe carefully. 5 minus 6 bar 1 plus 8 7 minus 7 0 plus 1 is the answer. 8 minus 3 5 plus 4 9 minus 2 7 plus 3 10 carried 1 7 minus 4 3 plus 1 4 minus 6 bar 2 bar 2 plus 8 plus 6 3 minus 1 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 3 plus 5 8 is the final answer. We did in a single step. Dear students, today we started with page number 9 and we just remained in page number 9 only. And that means you might have understood the speed of this, usefulness of this, and how depth I am going and giving you the solutions. Let us take few more problems of addition and subtraction in the next video. Before that, let us move to brain sharpness. I took in the previous second video it seems. Now let us move to solution of that. Half of 8 is 3. Half of 8 is 3, not mathematically. How? Half of 9 is equals to 4. How? Not mathematically, I said. It is not mathematically, but in a certain way. See here, this is 10. This is 9. And I take half. Half of 10 is 5. Half of 9 is 4. And this is just a simple problem, and its idea is not numerically but in a certain way it's clear. Problem number 3. How many squares are there in the given figure? Problem number 3. I take today directly how many squares are there in the given figure. I think you might have observed how I draw. Correct? Again, I draw this picture. So as to make you understand without answer. How many squares are there in the given figure? Is there any easy way to calculate without counting? Yes, there is easy way to calculate without counting. There is easy way to calculate without counting. There is the figure like this, right? No, the figure is like this. I think now at least you might have got the easy method. First was 1 square plus, next including the bigger one is a 1 square, 2 square, next is including those figure within, 3 square, next is 4 square, next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 square. Answer is 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 30, 55. Instead of that, you have to give the names, you have to count one by one. You count and find it is surely 55. But the manner in which I have drawn might have made you clear. 1 square, then 2 square means this one, including that one is 1 square, 1, 2, 3, 4 are new. Like that 3 square, like that 4 square we have to take. So we get. And the next one is beautiful problem with simple logic. There is logic in it. And problem number 4. Problem number 4. Fill 2 to 9 so that no consecutive numbers should be placed in adjacent squares. You assign this problem to your friends, neighbors, etc. 2, 3, no, wrong. 3 should not be here. 3, 4, 4 don't have space. 4, no. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there comes. 8 and 9 are together. 7 and 8 is not possible or wrong. Then, how to write? You tell your friends to take this problem number 4. You can challenge the friends and surely they cannot do directly. It has certain logic and the answer I hope you can do, but needs a little patience, thinking and practice, repeated practice. You can do. In the next class, I explain the solution. Giving the solution is quite different from explaining the solution. In the next class, next video, I explain the problem number 4 and explain the solution, how you can arrive that solution, what is the logic behind that. Thank you.